Morning everyone. The next topic is a Python dictionary. The Python dictionary, first we go into the slide. Before we know what is the topic to be discussed in this slide, what is the Python dictionary, the empathy DT framework of the Python dictionary usage. So the Python dictionary is the built-in data types that is used to store the pair case values. It is the collections that is the order changeable and it does not allow the duplicate values. It is an order the Python from Python 3.7 onwards. The item or inserted is preserved. It can be changeable. We can add, remove or modify items after the creations. It does not allow the duplicate values. Each key within a dictionary must be unique. If a duplicate key is added, it will overwrite the previous value associated the keys. So the empathy part of the need. So we the new learners often the struggle, which is storing the retrieving the data efficiency. So that the key value should be map. So what is the key values here? The student's name, ID, the values, marks, phone numbers, blood groups, etc. So the remaining of the indexing positions also given into the list. So the real life analogy into the empathy part of the dictionary is phone contact list equal to key values of a name, phone number values, etc. So we need the data of this part. uh, what we what we will have to do into the groundwork, a data structures that the supports fast lookup, meaningful keys and flexible storage. So the next DT framework is a defined part. The defined part can have into the dictionary is we can store and access the data Python in a way that the fast, meaningful, easy to retrieve using the labels instead of a numbers. So that the key value pairs can organized into the keys or values of a pair. Keys are used to uniquely identify and retrieve the corresponding values, so that the key can be immutable type of a like a strings, numbers comes integer or float or tuples cannot be mutable types lists like other dictionaries. The next ideate part can generate into the key values the matches with the key set of 1 and key set of 2 into the nested key values. So think about that the dictionaries can have stored into the key value data store as a key value and retrieving data, update the values, delete the entries, loops, etc. So these are all the ideate process to generate the new solution or futuristic thing. So the uh, values can be string, numbers, list, other the dictionaries on any other Python objects can also be a duplicated. So it may be defined using curly braces with the values of a pair separated by the colons and individual pairs separated by the commas. The retrieval values key can given into the dictionary value of a name using in the square bracket, using square bracket with the double quotation or single quotations. The next prototype built, first we create a small dictionary to store the student information. The student information can have the obviously her name, her or his name, his ID, course, mark, blood group, phone number, parents phone number, etc. We can accessing the values, adding the values, deleting the values, append the values, creating and etc. So the evaluate part of the improvement and dictionary values can using into the test retrieval, modification, real time, etc. So the Python dictionary used to store the values. It is a minimal of a database or minimal of the data structures which is used into the key values of a pair. A dictionary is a collection which is the ordered, changeable, and do not allow the duplicate value. So these are all the Python dictionary of a program. Thank you.